Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn to turn any 3D file into a point cloud abstract animated visual. You just need a 3D file with any format and however you have to convert them to PLY. To do that, you can use your software to export the 3D model in PLY format, or you can go to Google and search for convert software. Like this one I found as an online converter which is free and quite simple. It has different options to convert into PLY format. Choose them and upload your file and then direct the PLY file and drop it into the workspace. So now I have the data of my 3D file in my project, and if you open the viewer and press V, you can see the 3D model. Find any 3D model you want. I just found it for the tutorial in a free website. Now I want to render this top. So go to the SOP, Add Convert. After that, add the geometry, camera, light and the render. Also add the constant material and assign it to the geometry. Go to the Add SOP parameters, enable Add Points. Go to Convert Parameters and change Convert to 2 particles per point and change particle type to render as point sprites. Okay, it's ready to render the PLY I imported before. Get the null from it. Go to the Geometry Parameters and go to Instance tab. Enable instancing and use the null as a default instance operator. And in the Translate parameters, insert R, G and B. Now I have a render of this shape. You have to adjust the parameters to see it better. Adjust the resolution of the render. Add an out top and let's have a preview here. Go back to the imported top and let's do some adjustments. First, let's change this with boxes, because it has low polygons and shows few particles. So I prefer to remove this and add box SOP and decrease the scale to something like 0.001 or a little larger, and use this one as the geometry. Okay, this is better now. Also, you can consider changing the parameters of the material, or the material itself. Let's go back here. At first, let's add a mask top here to have control on the 3D model. Go to the Range tab, and here you have the range of R, G and B. And so you can do some adjustments here as you want. Now add a point transform top, and connect the top into the first input. Point transform works just like the transform top, but it has the second input for the weight. And as you see here, I have the 3D model without any changes here. And I can add something for the second input like a noise. And here I want to use the noise to animate the 3D model. Then connect it to second input. Now if I change the parameters like scale or rotation, you can see the changes are applying only on the white areas of the noise, which means 1 for the weight. Okay, now use this instead of the previous null and adjust the parameters as you like. You can transform them or play with the noise parameters to get new movements. Try something else instead of noise. But here I am okay with this one. Then go to the noise transform parameters and animate one of the parameters. With LFO or the expression ABS time.seconds multiplied by something like 0.1. After this, you can go to the render parameters and adjust them as you want. So yeah, this is the animation of my 3D model. To have more particles, you can add a fit before the null. Parameters, go to the comment tab and let's say multiply it by 2. As you see, you have more particles here or even more. And you actually have to disable the monochrome for the noise to prevent any distortion. Another thing you can do to make it more beautiful is decreasing the alpha from the parameters of the material. And then go to the comment tab and enable blending. Okay, this is the main idea of the method. All of the parameters have the options to change and generate new visuals. And these were the tips to make it beautiful and impressive. I will hear your comments and your questions. Thank you for watching. See you later.